Welcome back to Decor, where we explore the most breathtaking home design and decor inspirations shaping the future of interior living. Today, we are diving into the glamorous world of Valentino Pink Interior Design, a bold maximalist trend redefining luxury homes in 2026. Inspired by high fashion, dramatic textures, and unapologetic color expression, Valentino Pink Interiors blend elegance with artistic rebellion. If you love vibrant living spaces, luxurious furniture, statement decor, and fashion-inspired home aesthetics, this design movement will completely transform the way you see your home. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below about your favorite luxury interior style. The rise of Valentino Pink in modern interior design. Valentino Pink has evolved from a fashion runway sensation into one of the most influential interior design trends of 2026. This rich and electrifying pink shade symbolizes confidence, creativity, and sophisticated glamour, making it a favorite among modern homeowners and luxury designers alike. Unlike soft pastel pinks, Valentino Pink commands attention with dramatic intensity, turning ordinary rooms into artistic experiences. In maximalist interiors, this vibrant color becomes the centerpiece, paired with velvet textures, metallic accents, sculptural furniture, and layered patterns that celebrate individuality and fearless self-expression. Creating a dramatic Valentino Pink living room. The living room is the perfect place to showcase the beauty of Valentino Pink maximalism. Imagine oversized velvet sofas in vivid pink tones paired with gold coffee tables, marble flooring, and dramatic chandeliers sparkling overhead. Layering is essential in maximalist design, so combining patterned rugs, luxurious curtains, abstract wall art, and bold decorative pillows creates depth and personality. Designers in 2026 are also introducing curved furniture and sculptural decor pieces to soften the intensity of the pink palette while maintaining an elegant and luxurious atmosphere that feels both glamorous and welcoming. Valentino Pink bedrooms with fashion-inspired elegance. A Valentino Pink bedroom transforms everyday living into a luxurious boutique hotel experience. Plush upholstered headboards, silky bedding, ambient lighting, and mirrored furniture all contribute to the dreamy atmosphere associated with this trend. In 2026, designers are embracing layered pink palettes by mixing fuchsia, blush, magenta, and rose gold tones for visual richness. Adding dramatic ceiling designs, textured wallpaper, and oversized fashion-inspired artwork creates a bedroom that feels deeply personal and visually unforgettable. The key is balancing bold color with soft textures to maintain comfort and sophistication. Luxury kitchens embracing bold pink aesthetics. Modern kitchens are no longer limited to neutral tones, and Valentino Pink is revolutionizing culinary spaces with fearless style. Glossy pink cabinetry, marble countertops with pink veining, gold fixtures, and elegant pendant lighting create kitchens that feel like designer showrooms. Open shelving filled with artistic ceramics and luxury glassware adds personality while maintaining functionality. In 2026, many maximalist kitchens also incorporate dramatic black accents or emerald green details to create stunning visual contrast. This combination elevates the kitchen into a statement space where fashion and functionality coexist beautifully. Maximalist dining rooms full of artistic energy. Dining rooms inspired by Valentino Pink aesthetics embrace drama, conversation, and artistic luxury. Large statement dining tables paired with velvet dining chairs instantly create a sense of opulence and sophistication. Bold floral centerpieces, oversized mirrors, sculptural lighting fixtures, and richly layered wall textures add dimension to the space. Many designers in 2026 are experimenting with ceiling murals, geometric wallpaper, and metallic finishes to enhance the immersive atmosphere. The result is a dining experience that feels theatrical, glamorous, and unforgettable, perfect for entertaining guests in true maximalist fashion. Valentino Pink bathrooms with spa-like glamour. Bathrooms are becoming luxurious sanctuaries, and Valentino Pink maximalism brings a fresh level of elegance to these private spaces. Pink marble surfaces, gold-framed mirrors, ambient LED lighting, and freestanding bathtubs create a glamorous spa-inspired retreat. Designers are embracing textured wall panels, mosaic tiles, and artistic lighting to elevate the visual impact of modern bathrooms. In 2026, layering pink tones with cream, black, or champagne gold creates balance and sophistication. The combination of luxury materials and bold color transforms the bathroom into a space that feels both relaxing and fashion-forward. statement decor and accessories that define the trend. Accessories play a major role in bringing Valentino Pink interiors to life. Oversized artwork, dramatic vases, sculptural lamps, glossy ceramics, and layered textiles all contribute to the maximalist atmosphere. In 2026, interior stylists are focusing on curated abundance rather than clutter, carefully selecting decor pieces that express personality and artistic vision. Animal prints, metallic finishes, mirrored surfaces, and rich fabrics like velvet and satin complement the vibrant pink palette beautifully. Every accessory becomes part of a larger story, creating interiors that feel luxurious, expressive, and deeply unique. Combining Valentino Pink with modern maximalist architecture. Architecture itself is becoming an essential part of the Valentino Pink aesthetic. Curved walls, dramatic archways, oversized windows, and sculptural staircases help create interiors that feel cinematic and immersive. In 2026, many luxury homes combine minimalist architectural forms with extravagant interior styling to create balanced visual harmony. Valentino Pink works beautifully against neutral architectural backdrops, allowing the furniture and decor to become the stars of the space. This fusion of clean modern structure and bold maximalist decoration creates homes that feel contemporary, artistic, and emotionally powerful. How lighting enhances Valentino Pink interiors. Lighting is one of the most important elements in creating successful Valentino Pink interiors. Warm ambient lighting enhances the richness of pink tones, while statement chandeliers and sculptural floor lamps add drama and elegance. In 2026, designers are using layered lighting strategies, combining hidden LED strips, pendant lights, wall sconces, and artistic fixtures to create depth and mood throughout the home. Reflective materials like mirrors, glossy finishes, and metallic accents amplify the glow of the lighting, making the entire interior feel luxurious, vibrant, and visually dynamic during both day and night. Conclusion: embrace bold beauty with Valentino Pink design. Valentino Pink interior design is more than a color trend, It is a fearless celebration of luxury, individuality, creativity, and maximalist beauty in 2026. From glamorous living rooms and elegant bedrooms to dramatic kitchens and spa-like bathrooms, this style transforms homes into artistic masterpieces filled with confidence and personality. Whether you choose subtle pink accents or fully immersive fashion-inspired interiors, Valentino Pink offers endless inspiration for creating unforgettable spaces. Thank you for watching Decor today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments about how you would use Valentino Pink in your dream home.